Hey guys, I want to show you my Ray-Ban Meta glasses that I bought for myself. It was a Mother's Day gift to myself and I love them. They were very easy to pair. You download the Meta app and then you can find your glasses, pair them up, you lift them out of the case, I put them on, and it's the craziest thing because nobody else can hear what I can hear. It just da-da-da. And then Meta comes on and they can talk to you, or you can say, hey Meta, start recording.
And right now I'm going to show you what it's recording, but it is recording the camera and the other products that I'm reviewing right in front of me. Now this is one that I purchased and I love these glasses. My kids sometimes wear them around the home because you can turn on music right here. Meta, stop recording.
It can record up to 3 minutes. And so when I've been doing my product reviews or YouTube videos or working on a DIY project in front of me, it's been really hard for me to set up my camera, my phone, and capture what I want. Now I have another way to capture it by just turning it on. So you can also press and hold this right here to turn on the recording, and it records up to 3 minutes and then it syncs it with your phone. So I can put anything from whatever I'm capturing in front of me right onto my Instagram stories. I can put a post up. It has been great to get footage of what's right in front of me without having to pull out my phone. Now, there are great places that you can do this, including my friend went all the way to Rome and she was able to get pictures where nobody else could because she had her glasses on and she could snap a little quick picture just like that. It's one push of the button and then you can snap what you're seeing right in front of you. So for places that don't allow you to bring out a phone or a camera because of the risk of flash, no one's going to stop you from taking a picture with this because there is absolutely no flash. Now you do want to let people know if you are recording them, but I took it recently when I got off a plane because I was seeing one of my good content creator friends and I was able to record walking up out of the terminal into where I could see her, giving her a big hug, and then I also recorded when we walked up to meet the other girls for lunch and just their reactions and stuff. So it is really cool for things like that when you're doing surprises, like you're not having to get your phone out and get the right view, like you've got it all right here. So that's what I use it for, and for me it's worth the price just for that. The other thing you can use it for, and what's great about it, is when I'm driving, I've been able to pick up calls with this, and so it will let me know like an incoming call and it will let me answer it, or it will let me text back people. So it's been so great because then I'm completely hands-free while I'm driving. Another thing is that you can turn on music right here with the tap. You can turn it up, you can turn it back down. So once you connect your phone to Spotify or any of the music players that you're using, I can listen to audiobooks on here. I can listen to music. That's what my kids really love borrowing these for. You can take great footage. It records in a high quality, and then it all syncs with your phone. And so that's one of the best parts about it. It's giving you another camera angle. It's giving you another way to capture footage outside of the phone, so I don't have to be getting my phone out every time. I'm just like, oh my gosh, so this is right in front of me. I'm gonna just press record and get it. And it's been great. So highly recommend these from a personal consumer. I did purchase these and they've been fantastic. There's so many more ways I'm sure you could use them. Haven't dove into them yet because I got my hands full with what I have. So highly recommend these.